everyone, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to make a layout with our beautiful new Once Upon a Christmas collection. I am not actually going to do a Christmas layout because these papers do have a hint of Christmas all through them and our creative cuts, but I'm actually just going to do a layout of this cute little picture here I have of Pearl and my mum and dad's new little puppy called Roxy. It's a cute picture and I think it's going to go sweet with this collection. So let's get started. First thing I always kind of do when I get a new collection is I fussy cut. So quick side note, who's got these Tupperware bowls from like 30 years ago? I use them for my crafting quite a lot. So I've just fussy cut out from the papers, from the cut apart sheets, and all my fussy cutting is in this cute little bowl. I've got some cute little tags I've cut out, so they're all in there ready. And I'm going to just glue it together. I had kind of laid this layout out, and I had it laid out for about 2 weeks on my table, and it just got moved and bumped. So I've just got all these pieces and I had no idea what they were meant to be, but we're just going to go with something new, a new design now, because that one is gone. In my last video I get asked this a lot about my distress tool. It is super old. It is a Prima distress tool and it's got glue all over it, and it's very cool because it's got a handle. So if you're wondering, I don't think they make them anymore, but you can might be able to find a store that still has them in stock. I'm just going to distress the edges of this piece of paper. I have no idea what size it is because I cut that out forever ago, and I'm just going to lift the edges with my fingernails. Now I do like to use foam dots for small things, but when I'm doing like a big piece, I do just use cardboard. I am using 450 glue. I get asked this all the time in my videos, do I always use this fabric glue for my layouts? And the answer is yes. I've been scrapbooking for like 20 years now, and layouts I did earlier in my career have all fallen apart when I have used tape. Layouts I've been done in the last 10 years where I have used my 450 glue are all still 100% perfectly stuck together. In the papers I have got this dot paper here, and I have cut it out with the tag. So this is our tags tops and tails die, and this is the largest tag, so I've cut that out, and turns out I have fully made a little tag out of it. I did this so many weeks ago. This is quite funny. This is me not having a clue what's going on. I've got some more tags here I've cut out and I have got some floral elements I've cut out here. Here's some more little tags and some of these cute little houses. So let's just start playing around and see how we're going to layer these up. I think I'll do this one. Photo's going down, and I'm going to slip it kind of underneath like that, but this, I want this one to go down in here. So when I cut that bottom off, so I'm just going to layer it in here, and these ones we're going to layer in the bottom. So this one we're going to go on top of the cute little flower cluster I made. Very cool. Okay, so what else have I got here that I was thinking I was going to use? Oh yeah, bottom of a little tag. That's cute. I'm going to bring some of that floral element out on this side. Now I think I want to try to slot these houses in here. They're very cute little houses. I can't get that any lower in there because that flower is well and truly glued there many weeks ago. Cute. And then maybe this one will mount up on a foam mount. I still always glue my foam mounts because I really want my layouts to last 100 years. Because I've got some of this stripy element here and here. I really wanted to add some more of that. And over here, I think I'm going to play with adding more of a flower cluster on this side. So I'm just going to cut off the edge because that's going to be my edge piece. Okay, so we're going to glue that one down over top of another floral element. I really want to use this somewhere else to bring that red over. Top here. I will put it on the top here. And now I'm just going to hide that little bit there with some of the blue. Just going to add a ticket over here. Actually, I think I might mount that ticket. So now we're just going to slip and slide some cute little elements in to create some layers and texture. To add some blue in here, so this guy is perfect, and I don't really want the holly because this is not a Christmas layout, so that's fine. Just gonna have a quick look through my bowl, see if I've got another smaller house. I do. Here's a cute little smaller house. I'm thinking I want something just a bit smaller in here. Again, that's tricky because that was made a little while ago. I really love this cute little rabbit with the star, and because this is such a fun layout with a little girl on it, I'm gonna actually stick it on there because I think Pearl will love that. Okay, so now I just need to think about my title. Because I don't want it to be Christmas, but joy is exactly the emotion Pearl has right now. I'm going to use my joy laser cut. I'm just going to trim off those little tags for where you pop it out. Now I'm just going to use my black sparkle brush to colour this. Okay, I also want to get around just that first edge all the way around. Okay, so now I've finished painting that. It looks great. So my joy is a little bit drier now, so I'm just using my Zig pen to adhere this down. So I'm just going over it all. So I've got my Zig pen, but I'm also going to follow through, just again because I don't want this to come apart in 10 years time, 20 years time. I want this to still be awesome in 100 years time. And 2 spots, I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of my 450. Okay, so joy is going to go in there. In fact, I don't even think I want to put my dot on. Let me have a look. I don't think I need my dot. So we're just going to go with joy like that. So there you go. That is my finished layout. Quick and easy one that I have done. So I hope you enjoyed that, and hope you'll come back and watch for more. Thanks guys. See you soon. Bye.